Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang!
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex the Complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. One to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Empire now. 7-star Horus Lewis LB representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one, you know where stand. Surfer, ever in demand, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb, it's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of DanceHall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Now, people, in today's episode of DanceHall Bomb, we have the up-top boss being featured once more again as he buys himself a brand new Mercedes GLE truck. People, it's a very good looking truck, people. The plastic still up on the seat them. You can know say it brand new. Now, people, I'm going to show you a clip that he shared on his social media. Check this clip out.
Yeah, man, I say no up-top boss, I'm represent dancehall bomb. Hey, dancehall bomb. I bet we fuck up in ya.
It's the same one, baby! 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 Same one, baby! That's so father! No pussy test! Yeah? Yeah? That is it! Where's the father? The same one, baby! Same one, baby! That is it, man. Yeah, man.
Members of the fraternity TeeJay is definitely having a great 2023. The other day he showcased himself purchasing his first home, people, and it was a very decent modern home, people. You can know say him spend a couple million on that. Now the DJ go and buy himself a brand new GLE truck, people. Plastic still up on the seat them, and I looked up the price of this vehicle. It is brand new, so we are looking at about $105,000 US, people. I tell you, it's where one hit song can do, people. One decent hit song what people love. You can definitely tell us, you know, TeeJay enjoy the drift money, I understand. Now, a lot of artists were definitely happy for TeeJay. You could see in the comment section likes of Ioctane, Rygin King congratulating the DJ. I'm glad TeeJay do this, you know, and remind the youths them say no Mark X and Crown I do it, because the other day when they drop the ambition kind of low, yeah, Papi they come out and I remind me say, yo, what I do with Mark X and Crown, no one Benz and Range and all of them things. So TeeJay do it again and show the youths them say, yeah, him go house and him go car next, and the vehicle him choose a nice vehicle, you understand? $105,000 US. And a little boy money that in the people. Yeah man, DJ, yeah, do it, you know, yeah, live the star life.
Dancehall bomb, we know we are general. We don't need nobody to tell us we are general. A flipper mag like the Flossing King represent dancehall bomb. Tune in, log on. You hear me say? Murder.
Members of the fraternity Kyle Butler posted a post on Instagram earlier this week concerning Silk Boss music, stating, I wonder where you guys find the time to report and flag Silk Boss music. Song been a fight him for years now, and it needs to stop. Let him flourish. Grateful that we now have someone that knows the game and can fix these problems so you guys can't win. Unbelievable. Now that's the post that Kyle Butler made on his Instagram account. That's the producer, Kyle Butler _77. Now, people, Silk Boss has emerged on the scene with a statement concerning that post as well. I'm going to play for you in just a bit. But people, I haven't seen or heard Silk Boss music since he got those slaps that was going viral on social media, people. I really haven't heard much from him. I don't know what's happening. But let's listen what Silk Boss have to say and we'll comment afterwards.
I realize that when I drop my song them, I realize that some haters out there, I don't know what me I want to have or what, but I realize that some of the haters out there when I report on my song them and when I drop my song them and some style and it's very unfair to see one youth there start try bro skull. I wanna just sit down for no reason at all. Just to try and tarnish the youth career, bro. I not like that you see. I'm there so I just put out my good music and then only just there so I fool me and sit down and wait for me drop a song just to report the song. You see, but you can't stop Silk, boss. I just that I come to tell you. I just can't stop Silk. You see, big up all of my fans, them, all of the true believer, them are not the new believer. You see, juggle here. Believer, them are not the new believer.
Now, people, my opinion on this situation that Silk Boss is speaking about is straight rubbish at about Silk Boss. You understand? Nobody cannot report a page if it's not breaking the rules. If your page is following the proper guidelines towards promoting certain violence and certain sexual orientation of things, and them where they thing get targeted, you understand, and strike by say YouTube and all of them things there, your caption or you put out your music if you promote gun violence and such forth, which you're not really doing a your video them, so I don't understand how your page I get report to people. Probably you just now promote your music in the proper way and you don't have a proper management team around you, because these are the reasons why nobody now hear from you and your music now trend. You understand? You can't see people are report your page. And if somebody report your page on YouTube and them way there, it's gonna say who I report your page. So if you need to get a comeback, don't come out of the media and I try cry out like somebody and do you something. You basically a cry wolf, you understand? We are talking about a foolishness. Because if you put out music, would I see the music and would I hear the music? People tired to hear people are scream out, man. You need to change the flow, change the style and come back at it again, you understand? You know, so Vybz Kartel them have many different flow, 101 flow. When you stick on this one bag of screaming out, this one bag of church music, and dead out the dancehall to this poor life, like on a depressed brethren. Need to sing some uplifting song, some song will make people dance, some song will make people move, a dancehall thing name. No go away with no balling business at church. Now people, Vybz Kartel's son Little Addi took to Instagram where he showcased his new mansion, people. He's definitely giving fans a tour of his place, people. I want you guys to check it out and comment in the comment section.
DanceHall Bam, enough of them represent for you know them dead.
UTG Cribs, Little Vybz give us a tour of his new $1 million US home.
Just pay $1 million US. I just decide to make a show greatness in a new mansion, so. You now tour, oh boy. Alright, ready? Cribs. This is my kitchen. See. Stove. Yeah. Island. Fridge. Simple things. Yeah.
Hello?
No one's there. It's mine. Master bedroom. See bathroom. Show them all, boy. Okay.
Knock knock.
No one. Twin beds.
Yo, girl. Don't hide. Don't hide.
Cribs.
Ribs. I eat that though.
Now, Earthlings, there you have it. Nice place, Little Addi showcase that he definitely owns, people. I don't know if it's a business, if he's using it as an Airbnb, if he lives there personally, or he plans to rent it out in the future. But people, may I tell you, this youth need to take a friendly advice and get himself out of Jamaica. There you have it again. Him father accost the police them again. Every time him do it, them target him again. You don't know when I time them I go see them find him with a firearm. I don't know if he have a licensed firearm. I don't know how him protect himself, but people, it must hard for them to navigate throughout the city and throughout the country, people. With police, I bother you every move where you make. I come in your house them, I kick off the door them and knock them up. I put all sort of allegation upon you. I just hope them be wise and just remain focused, because really and truly I want to put the police on the back, because all a thing like this on a showcase, police them don't like it, people don't like it, man. I tell you, worse than the father go up on Instagram and make them post there, then just after on more and more and more, and just have to lay low and just pray to God say them not really put no charge on you as a youth and putting on the father there.
Now people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.